Hello students, class 12, subject business studies. Today we are going to learn about the objectives of management. Okay, there are three main types of the objectives of management. Before learning these three objectives one by one, I will just explain you what do you mean by objective. Objective is basically the specific commitment of an organization to achieve a measurable result within a present deadline. Okay, whatever is the present deadline which is decided, according to that, whatever measurable result, what all measurable result we have to achieve, for that the specific commitment is made by an organization, that is termed to be as objective. Okay, so objective is of three main types of the objectives which is framed by the management. That is, first objective is organizational objective, second social objective, third personal and individual objective. Now let us come to the first main type of the objective, that is organizational objective. It refers to the objectives for the whole organization. While fixing these objectives, management keeps into consideration the benefit of all the related parties like owner, employee, customer, government, etc. These objectives develop organizational policies. This also fulfills organizational economic objective. Okay. Basically, this type of the objective is for the whole of the organization. Okay, and this type of the objective, the organization whenever frames, it keeps into mind all the benefit of the related parties also. What is related parties? Related parties are those persons or those other organizations which are connected with an organization. Okay, that is like owner of an organization, employees of an organization, customer of an organization, or the government which is also connected by an organization. These types of the related parties, for the benefit of these related parties also this type of objective is framed. Basically, this objective is designed to fulfill the economic objective and also to frame the government, to frame the organizational policies also, and to determine all the allocation of the resources, organizational resources also. Okay, three types of the basic objectives. Economic objective it fulfills, that is survival. That is first survival, second growth, and third profit. Now comes to the second type of the objective, which is social objective. Social, by the term only we understand that for the benefit of the society. Okay, so the business also have the main aim to fulfill the benefit of the society. Okay, these objectives are the benefits of society. Which types of benefits it is giving to the society? That is all. First, protection of environment. The business should protect the environment. Second, generation of the employment opportunities. It should create employment opportunities for the society. And third, providing basic amenities like the school, etc. The school is example for the organizational educational organization. Okay. Fourth, supply of the good quality products at fair prices. Good quality products also providing to the customer and also at the reasonable prices. That is also the fulfilling the social responsibility or social objective. Fifth is avoiding unfair trade practices. Unfair trade practices, which type of practices? Like black marketing, hoarding, all these unfair malpractices, unfair trade practices has to be removed, which benefits the society. Now let us come to the third type of the objective, which is personal and individual objective. Organization consists of different types of the individual who joins it to satisfy their diverse needs. The individual may seek to satisfy needs such as competitive salaries, peer recognition, personal growth and development. Okay, so these are all what? These are personally related all the objectives which the management also fulfills it. Like different types of the individual or the employees who joins the firm, who joins the organization, they have their diverse needs. Okay, they want all their needs to be fulfilled by the management. So how to satisfy the needs? The management has to frame the individual objective also to satisfy the needs of an individual who is connected to an organization. Like for example, first type of the need is competitive salary, providing the better salary or the good salary to the employee to satisfy their basic need. Then the second, peer recognition. Peer recognition, that means in their group they should be provided complete importance. Okay, and then personal growth and development. It should be done by the management by providing proper training and development programs to all the employees so that their personal growth and development should take place. And management has to reconcile personal goal with the organizational objective for harmony in the organization. These all objectives the management has to reconcile togetherly with the organizational objective with the personal goal.